Business Analytics AI Agents. Digital Assistant Super Agent is an embedded intelligence layer that transforms traditional dashboards into actionable, proactive guidance engines for business owners, while enabling financial institutions to unlock cross-sell, detect risk, and drive SMB portfolio growth with lower cost to serve. Built directly into digital banking or as a standalone solution, it provides real-time insights, lending and deposit pre-qualification, and a fully conversational experience for small business owners. Let's walk through how the solution works. On the left, the always-on digital assistant interprets data, explains trends, and recommends next steps. On the right, the dashboard updates dynamically, surfacing insights, forecasts, peer benchmarks, and relevant offers based on each business's profile. This is not a replacement for traditional chatbot for support. It's a dedicated domain-trained AI advisor for businesses. So what exactly does the digital assistant do for small business clients? It starts with intelligence, monitoring business activity in real time and surfacing insights that actually matter. If the business is growing faster than expected, it might suggest setting aside funds for upcoming tax obligations or recommend opening a high-yield account to optimize idle cash. If sales are spiking, it could offer to project inventory needs or guide the owner through applying for a short-term working capital line to stay ahead of demand. And if performance dips, the assistant doesn't just show the numbers. It explains what's changing and why with suggestions based on peer benchmarks, historical patterns, and financial best practices. But the real power unlocks when the business starts asking questions. They can type or tap queries like, "What's driving my margin drop this month? How do I compare to other retailers in my region?" Or, "What are my financing options for equipment?" And the assistant responds instantly with relevant metrics, clear explanations, and guided next steps, all grounded in their live financial data. And when the business is ready to open a new account or apply for credit, the digital assistant guides them through the process from start to finish, fully aligned with the financial institution's policies, processes, and product features. It could be a brand new deposit account, like a high-yield savings, where the assistant explains product benefits, confirms eligibility, and pre-fills the application with all the information already on file. Only the missing details are requested, and any required documents, like business registration or identification, are dynamically prompted. Once submitted, the system instantly validates completeness and routes the application according to the bank's internal workflows. It could also be a lending product, such as the term loan pre-qualification or working capital line, where the assistant uses connected cash flow, accounting, and credit data to determine eligibility in real time. Forms are pre-filled, documents are dynamically requested. Eligibility and DSCR are calculated in real time, all based on the financial institution's own policies. It's one seamless guided intake experience, whether for deposits or lending, built directly into the SMB's everyday banking environment. Through it all, the assistant stays in autopilot mode, continuously tracking business health, surfacing opportunities, and alerting the client, or RM, when action is needed. Beyond insights and conversations, the assistant also acts. It can recommend automations, like sending overdue invoice reminders, reconciling e-commerce payouts, or setting aside tax, all fully in one click. It's intelligent, compliant, and always on, driving SMB portfolio growth at a lower cost to serve. Welcome to the future of business banking. Uptiq, the AI platform for financial services.